In this video, we are going to understand how to find the middle term of a finite AP. Though there are not many questions belonging to finding the middle term, but still there exist, and it becomes a challenge when you're not aware of this, that how to find it. Okay. When we are supposed to find a middle term, what we all need? A finite AP, right? Finite AP means it is having some limited number of terms. Okay. Which has the first term as A, common difference as D, and the number of terms as N. So these are the things. Now, when we are finding a middle term, there are two scenarios, that when your N, that is the total number of terms, are even or odd, because the answer is going to vary in either of the cases. So we have split it into two parts, and we are going to understand each and every part turn by turn. So in the first case, our N is odd. Okay. When N is odd, how do we find the middle term? It is by the expression N plus 1 over 2. Okay. Because supposedly when your N is, for example, 15. So if you do 15 plus 1, it becomes 16 divided by 2 gives you 8. So you will have exact one middle term. I'll just take a quick example over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we have N over here, we have got N as 7, right? According to this, if I do 7 plus 1 over 2, that gives 8 over 2, and it becomes 4. That means fourth term is your middle term. Because if you see, you have got 3 terms on this side and 3 terms on this side. So it is equally splitting it, right? Now, let's see a proper example for an AP where we have 9, 13, 17, 21, and it's written there are 39 terms, right? So we are supposed to find the middle term over here. Let's do that. Now, when we find the middle term, first of all, we need to find 39 plus 1 over 2. That gives us 20. 40 over 2 becomes 20. Now, finding the middle term, it is just the index. It is not a value, but an index. So now we need to find A20. And we already know how to find any term in an AP. It is going to use the formula A plus N minus 1 times D. So we will just plug in the values now. A is 9. N is 20. What is D over here? D is second term minus first term, which is 13 minus 9, that is 4. So it becomes 9 plus 19 times 4, that is 9 plus 76, and it comes out to be 85. So for this AP, 85 is the value of the middle term. And this was the scenario when your N is odd. Now, let's do a case when N is even. Okay. Now, when N is even, there are going to be two parts over here further. You have to find N by 2, and you also need to find N by 2 plus 1. Okay. Let's understand with the given example. The AP says 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, and up till 68 terms. 68 is an even number. So, let's begin. 68 means we have to do 68 over 2, that is 34. And we also need to do 68 over 2 plus 1, and that is resulting in 35. Okay. Now, what do we need to do? We need to add 34. We need to find A34. Just a second. We need to find over here A34, right? So that means 34th term. So it is going to be with the expression A plus N minus 1D, and that is 7 plus 33 times D is 3 in this case. This results in 7 plus 99, which comes out to be 106. However, it doesn't end over here. We need to find 35th term also. Okay. So that means A plus N minus 1D once again. Substituting the values, 7 plus 34 times 3, it comes out to be 7 plus 102, and this is 109. So now whenever your n is even, it is going to result in two middle values, and therefore 106 and 109 are middle terms over here. Okay. Now let's do a question properly based on the middle terms. The question says, find the middle term of the AP 6, 13, 20 till 216. Now what is 216 over here? It is the last term. It is not a value of n, but it is your nth term. And we are supposed to find the middle term over here. We do not know how many terms this AP has, right? First of all, what is given to us? We are given A, which is 6. We are given B by subtracting 13 minus 6. That results in 7. And we are also given the nth term, that is an, as 216. So now we need to find n over here. And how do we do that? An equals a plus n minus 1d. From this expression, what are we given? We are given an, we are given a, we are given d. What we are not given is n. We need to find that out first. So let's substitute all the values. We have got 6 equals, it is an is 216, a is 6, n minus 1 times 7. Now 216 minus 6 equals n minus 1 times 7. 210 divided with 7 results in n minus 1, that is 30 plus 1 equals n, and therefore what we get is 31 as n. So we have got the total number of terms in this AP as 31. Now what do we need to do next? We need to find the middle terms, the index of the middle terms over here. This is odd. This value is odd, right? So now, in order to find the index of middle term, we need to do 31 plus 1 over 2. That results in 32 over 2, which is 16. Okay. So now what do we need to do over here is, we need to find the 16th term. So we will find the middle term now, A16. And that is A plus n minus 1 times d. What was our A? A was 6, n was 16, and d was 7, right? So we get 6 plus 15 times 7. 15 times 7 is 105, and 105 plus 6 results in 101. Therefore, now we will conclude the middle term for the given AP is 111. So in this question, we had done various things. First, we found out the value of n for the overall AP because we were given the last term. We were not given the value of n. Since n was odd, we found the index for the middle term, and as a last step, we found the middle term by using the relation a plus n minus 1d, and hence the value came out as 111. I hope in this video you have understood how to deal with whenever you are being asked to find the middle terms, whether n is even or n is odd. Happy learning!